Hello, this is Captain Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International, and today we're looking at this gorgeous 2004 Mercedes G500. This thing is gorgeous. 75,000 original miles, white on black wheels, red diamond stitched and black interior, smoked out with the BRABUS Style body kit. Could you ask for more? Side tip dual exhaust on both sides. This thing is gorgeous. It's got a great value. Being a 2004 with 75,000 miles, it's got plenty of life left, and you're not spending all the money to get the look. If you Google right now, BRABUS G-Wagon, tell me what you see. First thing that pops up is G-Wagons that are BRABUS they cost $500,000. I mean, this has got the look. It's got everything you want. It's gorgeous. These are 22-inch wheels. Like I said, red diamond stitched interior, wood grain steering. Suede Alcantara headliner. Love this interior. Got the books. Guys, we've got this vehicle available locally and online for sale. Got shipping anywhere in the United States. If you're interested in this G-Wagon, best way to get a hold of me is to pick up the phone and call me directly. 954-258-2700. Beautiful red calipers, love it. Crank this thing up real quick. There we go. 5.0 liter V8. Purrs like a kid. If you're looking for a clean G-Wagon at a great price, with all the look, low mileage, you found it right here. I'll ship this thing right to your doorstep. Give me a call. My name is Brett, 954-258-2700. We've got a very easy DocuSign paperwork process. When you're ready to buy one of our vehicles, I can send you everything on the computer via DocuSign. Very easy for you to review, sign, send money, and typically we can get them out within 12 to 24 hours of receiving your payment. This is a really, really, really nice 2004 G500 with BRABUS Style body kit. Don't miss it. Thank you again for the opportunity. I look forward to speaking with you soon.